Why shouldn't I do estate planning myself? Since this is what we do, and we have seen the results that happen when people do their own planning, what I can tell you for sure is that there are questions you would not have even known to ask or consider, and you don't know what you don't know, even if you think your estate plan is simple. That's really actually the most common feedback from clients and from those who attend our free talks and webinars is that they had to think through things that they hadn't even thought about before, and that they were really comforted in knowing that those questions were explored and that the answers were ultimately put into their estate plans. So that way, everything is covered, no stone goes unturned. And that's actually one of our recent clients, what they thought was the most valuable part of working with us. Others had no idea that by doing things a certain way that it could lead to an unintended result, something they definitely didn't want. So I would encourage you not to do it yourself, thinking that you can do just as good a job as attorneys who do this every day full time. We can really help you with the ins and outs of probate, what to ask, what's important to put in your estate plan. So really having the advice and counsel is where we really help you make sure that the peace of mind you have about your estate plan is true peace of mind and not just a false sense of security that you got from a document, a fill in the blank online document you found on Google or LegalZoom, printed it out, and maybe you signed it, maybe you didn't, maybe it was signed properly, maybe not, and then you file it away thinking everything was taken care of. And then your family is the one who ends up finding out that it wasn't when it's too late. So I really encourage you to take the approach of it's really about the professional advice and the real peace of mind you get by sitting down and talking through questions. It's not just a matter of signing a document. If that's all it was, I would send you to LegalZoom. But there's really a whole lot more to your future, your children and your loved ones' futures, and your legacy that a fill in the blank document just won't cover. And you want to know that your plan will work when your family needs it the most.